Today, I am sharing a collection of Dollar Tree laser projects. Each one of these projects starts with a blank from Dollar Tree, very inexpensive and accessible, and I'm going to show you some really creative and unique projects you can make with these blanks. Hey, I'm Sarah, you're watching Creative Ramblings. We talk a lot about lasers on this channel, so if you are a laser crafter, consider subscribing. I know you will find something here that will benefit your creative journey. Today, I'm sharing a collection of simple projects that you can make using blanks from Dollar Tree. So I went out and I bought a handful of different things, and I'm using a number of my lasers to create projects. So for each one of these, I'm going to show you the blank, I'm going to show you the laser I'm using and the settings, and then any other tips or tricks that I'm using to get a really good result. Let's jump into project number one.
This is a bamboo cutting board, and it is a great place to start when you are engraving. Bamboo is engraved beautifully with a diode laser. So I'm using the F1 Ultra here from Xtool. It has both a diode and a fiber laser in it. I'm just going to use the diode, and I'm going to put some little pictures of herbs in the bottom right corner. Something like this would make a really cute gift, or you could personalize it with a name and sell these. It would be really cute, and they're so easy to make. These herb graphics I did get from Creative Fabrica. I'm going to link those down below. And I've got the settings on the screen here if you have an F1 Ultra and want to replicate this. There are a number of these jar candles at Dollar Tree that have wood tops. Now this would make a really cute gift for like maybe a wedding favor or a party favor. You can engrave a name and a date right on top of the wood there. A little tip for making your engraving a bit darker: instead of increasing that power and risking getting scorch or char marks on the outside, try running it with 2 passes. So I've got the settings up on the screen here. Again, the diode with my F1 Ultra, but I did 2 passes on this just to make it really dark and make it pop. The candle smells great. The top of the lid looks really cute, and this would make a great little party favor. This little wood jewelry box is so cute. It's got a hinge on the back, a little magnet on the front, and it's made out of basswood. Tons of options here. I put a little ballerina on the top and then my daughter's name underneath. And again, I didn't want to char on the outside, so I used these settings, but then did 2 passes to get this really dark, deep engrave on the basswood. When it's all done, I am just going to add some felt to the inside. You could paint or stain the sides to really dress this up, but this would make a really cute personalized gift for someone. These glass boards have been a staple at Dollar Tree for a long time, and you can engrave glass directly with a CO2 laser. So this is the P2S from Xtool. I'm going to flip this over so the textured side's on the bottom and the back side that's really smooth is on the top. We're going to mirror the image and engrave it from the back. So that way when we flip it over, we can read the words, but we haven't disrupted that textured surface on the front. You can also do this with a diode laser, but you do have to use some marking spray or some tempera paint on the glass in order to engrave through it. Super easy to do though with a CO2 laser. These picture frames come in a couple different styles at Dollar Tree, and they have a nice blank spot where you can engrave anything. So we're going to type promoted to grandma and engrave it on this. I just made this design in XCS. Super easy. I've got the settings up on top here. I only did 1 pass, but once again, if you add that second pass, you're going to get a deeper, more crisp design without any scorching or charring. Makes a great gift. These thin pieces of cork are really fun to work with. They've got an adhesive on the back, so there's a lot you can do with these. Cork is super easy to engrave with a diode laser. Because this one is kind of light and flimsy, I need to pin it down just to hold it in place while we're engraving, but it's gonna go really quick. Now I have a lot of options here. I can pull the adhesive off the back, stick this directly on the wall. I could put it on a piece of wood and decorate it, but there are so many possibilities for customizing these and turning them into little personal cork boards. I have engraved a bunch of these mirrors, and it's a little bit more involved process. I have a full video linked down below. You need to engrave it from the back. I have done it with my S1 from Xtool. It's a diode laser, and it works beautifully. You can also paint these and get some color popping through. So if you want to learn how to engrave a $1.25 mirror, go watch that video down in the description.
I hope those projects inspired you to head over to Dollar Tree, pick up some blanks, and get started with your laser. Remember, don't just look in that craft aisle, look in all the different aisles, and you're gonna find some really cool blanks that you can work with. If you liked this video and you found it helpful, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I am here every week with new videos that help you move forward in your creative journey. You can also consider the Creative Ramblings membership. Just hit that join button right below this video. It's going to bring up another video that tells you all about the membership. It's a great way to support this channel, and there's some extra perks in it for you. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.